Hi guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to the channel. I have been using few Mamaearth products since 2019. Some of them I purchased in 2020 and some of the products I still use them and some I don't use anymore. And these products are purchased by my own money and this video is sponsored by me. So today I am going to review and share my honest opinions about two Mamaearth products, and from the title and the thumbnail you already know that which Mamaearth products I'm talking about. So if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, then subscribe, press the bell icon, and if you like this video को like ज़रूर कर देना. And without further delay, let's just get into the video. So let's start with the first step of skincare, which is a face wash. So I have with me this Mamaearth Upton face wash, which contains turmeric and saffron, and this is paraben and SLS free, hypoallergenic, and this helps in tan removal. Now this is the 100 ml pack, which it is for rupees 249, and I have another one with me which is 25 ml, which it is for rupees 99 INR. Now this I got as a free gift जब मैं Mamaearth के official website पे या तो Nykaa पे कुछ Mamaearth के प्रोडक्ट खरीद रही थी, तो मुझे ये फ्री गिफ्ट में मिला, and this I purchased with my own money. So this contains no added color, and this contains my most favorite skincare ingredients, which is basically saffron and turmeric. And this is basically a light scrub or a face wash cum scrub, because this contains walnut beads that basically helps in skin exfoliation. Personally speaking, I don't like face wash that comes with scrub particles, because scrub is something that we use once or twice a week, not every single day. But a face wash is something that we use daily, every single day. If not once, at least twice a day we do use face wash, and I don't want to over exfoliate my skin. So that's the reason I don't like my face wash with scrub particles. Now skincare is very subjective. This is my opinion, okay? You might like a face wash that comes with scrub, but personally I don't like it. So yeah, that's my opinion. Now let's just move to the next product. The next product is this Mamaearth Upton face mask. This contains saffron, turmeric oil and apricot, and this is paraben and silicone free, hypoallergenic, and this says that this is for skin lightening and brightening. I don't support skin lightening on my channel, and let's just drop skin lightening and talk about rest of the features of this. Now this is by far my most favorite Mamaearth product, because this, if you use it once, like apply it once on your face, and then instantly you will find that glow and that tan removal thing on your skin. This is highly effective. So if one product from Mamaearth range I would highly suggest you, then you can please give this one a try. This is 100 ml, which retails for rupees 499. This is the outer packaging, as I shown you. This is the inner packaging, and I have used multiple tubs of this, and this is so good. So this Upton will give you that fresh glowy look on your skin, and they claim that their product is basically this product helps to do skin brightening and reduces signs of aging. I'm not sure about reduction of signs of aging, but definitely this helps in skin brightening and gives that instant boost of glow to your skin after applying this. And yes, it removes tan from your skin. How to use this is very simple. Firstly, you have to wash your face with a face wash, and then you use this scoop of product with the help of the spatula that comes with this packaging. Now I have basically lost the spatula, and I generally prefer using it with brush. So spread it all over your face and your neck area. Wait until 10 to 15 minutes, and then wash off your face with lukewarm water. That's all in my today's video, guys. If you like this video and find this video helpful and useful, do give this video a big fat thumbs up, subscribe, press the bell icon if you haven't yet already, and I will meet you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.